For preparing rose flowers, we want some ingredients. That is, first of all, maida. 3 spoons. Next item is sugar, 1 spoon. Baking soda. 1 only. And we should mix these ingredients. We pour some water. Should mix. After mixing, we should take one pan and we should pour some oil. How to prepare rose flowers? Rose flower. We should keep in oil and we should we should keep in that. We should keep only off. Then only it will become nicely. Like that, how many you want you can do. After finishing this preparing, we can decorate like this. For buying out, we can prepare easily in home rose flowers.